Hi guys, Max from HiOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, I just want to do a quick ROM overview of Android 7.0 Nougat. This is the beta. You can actually sign up for beta, but for some reason, if you're not in a country that support it, you can go ahead and install this. You'll see I've got Android 7.0, and you can verify you have full Android 7.0 by holding on to the N. It's actually defaulting right now to Marshmallow Land or Android Easter egg. Alright, and that should give you a cat. Alright, this is not the full version. This is the version Samsung has been working on, but you will get Nougat, and you will see the shortcuts have changed into the Nougat style. Go ahead and swipe down, go to the right, and all of your notifications now have been grouped, such as Hangouts and also Twitter, so that way you won't see a ton of notifications, so everything's grouped in there, which is one of the benefits. I'm gonna go ahead and clear that out for now. And this ROM does give you this badge provider has stopped. It's a little bit annoying, but it doesn't actually affect anything. It just pops up sometimes, so I just want you guys to know that. As far as the ROM itself, it is actually very solid. I've actually been daily driving it for 2 days now. Battery life is very good. Alright, for display, now with Android Nougat, you can actually change the screen resolution anytime you want. I can go ahead and switch it back to 1080p, 720p to save battery life, which is really, really awesome. The menus have sort of changed a little bit, the fonts and stuff, but mostly the same, I would say. Fingerprint sensor works well. Always on display works well. Everything works well so far. You actually wouldn't notice that much difference between Marshmallow and this one. Alright, performance is excellent. I haven't had any issues. So definitely check it out. Now this ROM also does come with Magisk Manager, and also it's rooted. So it is better than the beta program. You can have a rooted Android 7.0 Nougat running, and this comes really just with these top apps here, which is nice. Bootloader, runs really fast. And also the camera now has been updated to the Note 7 camera. And this is actually a S7 Edge camera. This is the new camera. Just like the Note 7, you'll be able to fully use it. Now, there were custom ROMs already running this, but the good thing with this one is that it's fully compatible. You'll be able to get all of the modes, alright? You know, fully compatible with the S7 Edge, so that is really nice. Overall, I would recommend it as a daily driver. Obviously, Samsung's already rolling this out as beta. There's still maybe some bugs here and there, but so far I haven't had many major issues. Everything works, voice, Bluetooth, data. So if you have the international model, you can go ahead and try this. Obviously, for US models, you have to sign up for the beta program, I think. But if you have an international SMG935F or any of the Exynos based, you can go ahead and install this. Installation is really easy, but let me go ahead and walk you through. Alright, power off your phone, boot into Twrp Recovery, volume up, center home, and power. Alright, and let go of the power button and keep holding down volume up and center home until you come to Twrp Recovery. Alright, go ahead and swipe to allow modifications. You'll have to do a complete wipe, so make a backup. Just the way the encryption works on this phone, you actually have to wipe format data, which erases everything on your phone. All right, except for the micro SD card. So say yes. I'm not going to do it because I already did it. I'm just going to tell you how to do it. Say yes, and once you do it, it's going to erase everything on your phone. And go back to home and go to the reboot menu and reboot back into recovery. That will reboot you back into recovery with everything wiped off. All right. I forgot to tell you, you should have copied the ROM into your micro SD card. All right. Or you can also use a USB OTG cable, which I did. I just find this easier. Just make sure you have ROM on your OTG or inside your micro SD card, because once you wipe everything, you're going to lose everything. All right. So once you reboot back into Twrp, go ahead and just do a regular factory reset. Install the ROM. All right, you can go ahead and select the storage here. Go to your micro SD card and find the ROM. Install it. All right, and then go back to home menu, reboot, go into the download mode, and you're gonna have to use Odin and flash the Nougat bootloader and modem. All right, just use Odin, and also use BP and CP. BP is for the bootloader, the file starting with BP, and CP is for the modem. And then flash that, and once it reboots, you'll be good to go. Right, that's how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. It should work on any S7 Edge running SMG935F. Pretty much it, and you should be on Android 7.0 Nougat. If you want to switch back to a Marshmallow ROM, you don't like it for some reason, you will have to reflash the Marshmallow bootloaders, which I also have files to. But everything works. I do recommend it. I've been daily driving it now, and I'm gonna keep daily driving. And if there's any more updates, I'll definitely update. All right, so definitely check it out. That's pretty much it. I'm also running Android 7.1 Nougat on my OnePlus One that I've been testing out. I should have the video of that shortly also. So don't forget the thumbs up. I will see you guys soon. As always, stay on Android.
Click here.